2 boxes of butterscotch Jello pudding, adding 2 cups of cold milk right into that. Oh, look at it. You can just instantly see that change and all of that butterscotch color just starting to come out. Of course, you're gonna wanna mix this up nice and good until everything is blended together and all of that Jello mixture is mixed in with that cold milk. It should thicken up just a little bit, so go ahead and get a little bit of a upper body workout in here and just give it a good stir. Wow, look at that. You can see that it is totally thickening up already just from having that cold milk in there. Oh, I could take a spoonful of this right now, but I'm not going to yet because I'm gonna grab myself some Cool Whip. So I have 8 ounces of Cool Whip right here. Let me just open that right up. Okay, perfect. And I'm gonna grab all of that out, put it right into that butterscotch. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Let's just plop this right out. Okay, perfect. Once again, of course, you're gonna wanna fold in all of that Cool Whip along with that Jello. So just move slow, nice and easily, and start to fold in all of that butterscotch pudding. Oh, look at that. It's all swirling together right in with the Cool Whip. Oof, this is gonna be creamy, easy, and delicious. And I love to switch this up for the holidays because who doesn't love a butterscotch pie? So we are making an easy one here today. Just continue to fold that all in. We are looking fantastic over here, guys. And you know that I'm gonna have to taste this just because if you don't taste what you're making before you serve it, you got to. Isn't that like a rule? Okay, we are on the right track. So we're gonna move right along here. We are gonna grab our delicious filling here and take our pie crust. Here we go. Carefully, we'll start to bring all of this delicious butterscotch filling right into this pie. Oh, that looks so creamy. You can just start to kind of spread it out just along as you're filling it in there. Mix that up. Oof, this is so good. It's just like the perfect texture, light and fluffy. And I love the butterscotch, so we'll just go ahead and smooth that all out. Oh, this looks great. All right, you guys, we are off to a great start. Now I'm gonna pop it in the fridge so it can set up just for a couple hours, and stick around because I think you're gonna love what we go ahead and top this with. Delicious. Okay, you guys, we have got a top-notch butterscotch pie here, almost ready for action. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some Butterfingers, and I'm gonna pour these all over the top. That's what I'm talking about. I'm literally just gonna have a layer of Butterfinger right here in the top of this pie. And I think that Butterfinger, along with the butterscotch, is gonna go so good. But of course, if you're gonna use a different topping, let me know all about it. So make a nice layer. We'll just kind of push it down right in there. Oh, this is gonna be so good. The little bit of the crunchiness from the Butterfinger is just gonna go so good with the creamy texture of the pie. That looks delicious. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna cut right in here. Oh, I think that is gonna be so good with that Butterfinger. Oh, I love the Butterfinger flavor. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that right out. Wow, check it out. That looks so good. I'm gonna place it right into my dish. Wow, check that out. Oh yeah, I want some Butterfinger in there along with that creamy, oh, and the graham cracker. Oh yeah.
10 out of 10.
This is where it's at. 10 out of 10 for sure. You know what I'm saying? Is that when we get into the holiday season, a lot of times we have a lot of the same stuff, right? All the time. But what if we bring something in like this? How good is this? Ooh, a butterscotch pie. It's light. It's not too sweet. I feel because it's light and cold and creamy, it tastes refreshing too. And the bit of the crunch from the butterscotch on top is absolutely perfect. Yes, I rate this a 10 out of 10. I would say give this easy no-bake pie a try, 100%. Everyone's gonna love this. I hope you guys really do give it a shot. Let me know if there's anything that you would change or do differently. And I'm gonna dig in, so I'll see you guys later. Enjoy.